Welcome back to Back of the Pantry. And for December, you know what's on a lot of our shelves? That's right, cranberry sauce. Now you might have homemade sauce, you might have jellied sauce. You might have the kind with actual berries in it. It is kind of traditional for Thanksgiving and often at Christmas. But a lot of times you have it left over. In fact, I've made a meal before and the entire thing is left over if my son-in-law doesn't come because he loves this stuff. So what else can you do with it? Well, I'm going to show you that you can make a delicious, super easy pot roast in the slow cooker with it. And it hardly takes any ingredient. Now remember, Back to the Pantry is a collaboration between these channels.
Sutton's Days, Linda's Pantry, Tuli Lou Creates, Jenny Gow, The Purposeful Pantry, and me, Prepper Potpourri.
Make sure you watch all the videos that are posted today. So we'll start out by putting in our onion soup mix. It all out. Now if you got some potatoes, that's the time to put them in now. I'm out of potatoes, so I have to use the fake stuff, but to be honest, I really like these roasted garlic mashed potatoes, and they sure are easy. Now put in whatever vegetables you want. Put in some baby carrots here, give it a little extra flavor. If you like celery, put in celery. If you like sweet potatoes, you can put in sweet potatoes, whatever you like. Now, I have about 3.5 pounds here of roast. Put this right here. Here's my other one. And you only got one last step, and that's to put in your cranberry sauce, which is going to look upside down, but that was the area that was easiest to remove the sauce. Don't you see? I'm using my finger. Oh, but see, the other one had this. It's like it's almost upside down, the can. Now I'm just going to smoosh this up a bit. Right. Some over on this one. Okay, no other seasonings because that's in your soup mix. And this is going to be it. And then we're just going to turn on our slow cooker. If we're doing it on slow, 8 or 9 hours. If you're doing it on high, probably about 6 hours. And we'll be back to see how it looks and do a taste test. Let's take a peek. Looks amazing and smells amazing. Let's see if it tastes amazing. So there's the meat. Looks delicious. We're going to make the gravy. So I've melted 2 tablespoons butter. And now I'm putting in 2 tablespoons flour. Now we're just going to whisk that up. Get it all nice and mixed in. And we're going to change this to high. There we go, to high. And then we're going to want to put in the slurry. To make our gravy. There, it's now on high. We're going to mix this up. Let it come to boiling, and this should thicken our gravy. Dish it up. Now it's time for the taste test. Okay, let's have a little meat first. It's nice and breaks apart. Do I taste the cranberry? I don't think I do. The gravy is just a little sweeter than normal, but it's good. Let's have some more meat. This recipe is really good and really easy. I did add some salt because the meat seemed like it needed it. But, I mean, how easy is that? Hardly any ingredients, and you have a wonderful roast beef dinner in your crock pot with delicious gravy. Hope you enjoyed this.